In this video, you'll learn how to find the item number on eBay. This unique identifier is essential for tracking listings and contacting support, making it important for both buyers and sellers. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you're signed in, use the search bar at the top of the page to find the item you wish to view. After entering your search terms, press enter on your keyboard. The search results will display various listings related to your query. Next, locate the specific product listing that you are interested in and click on it. This action will take you to the full item details page. Here, you will find comprehensive information about the item, including its features, price, and seller details. The item number will be included in this section. Once the listing page is open, scroll down to the product information or description area. This section contains various technical details about the item. Look for a label that reads item number followed by a numeric code. This code is unique to the listing and is crucial for identifying it, especially when discussing the item with others. After you've located the item number, you can copy it or write it down for future reference. This number is useful when you need to contact the seller or reach out to eBay support for assistance. If you are a seller, remember that the item number is also visible in your seller hub, making tracking your listings more convenient. This completes the process of finding an eBay item number. It's important to keep this number handy as it facilitates easier communication regarding the listing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.